káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì ìfẹ́ fídíò tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi a sì máa play fún yín tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́nu darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ẹ bá like kẹ́ comment kẹ́ share so that ẹ lè máa jẹ àwọn àǹfààní tó ń lọ lórí ìkànnì ṣé nínú fídíò yìí àwọn àṣírí pẹ́ẹ́rẹ́pẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ ni ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ètò tú síta bẹ́ẹ̀ gbé dẹ́gbẹ́ bá ti gbọ́ máa wọ nǹkan ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú yìí máa ká fi ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ pa ejò ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fídíò yìí.
Calling the attention of Dangote to the case, and lo and behold, Dangote people responded, and we saw it that they would go and see the girl. And I think when they went to see the girl, we saw everything behind the camera. We didn't know what was going on between the two of them. All right, so we thought that has been taken care of. Then another lady was mentioned that was in hospital, that was said to have been abandoned for months in the hospital, who has a serious accident too. One thing that I find appalling and disturbing among our people is how when a serious case like this comes up and we let it turn to yam pepper scatter, it's so unfair on the victim. So 2 days ago, was it yesterday, Verydarkman came out and said some things about Phyna. That Phyna went behind him to go and see Dangote people and told him that Dangote people say they don't want to have any dealings with him. You know, I was like, why? So as it is, the case became very messy to the extent that a particular lady, they say she's an Edo lady, Easy Reality with Easy or something. You know, she and VDM, they've been fighting. And you know, when Phyna came out, when VDM came out, when Phyna came out to say Dangote people have abandoned her sister. They have abandoned her sister. The reason why they refused VDM was because they said they are afraid of VDM. Okay, so she went and left VDM behind, and that was a mistake. Honestly, to me, that was a grave mistake on her part. This is the person that made them answer you. There are so many victims they don't answer. Many they don't answer, they don't respond to. But you, they responded to you because VDM screamed out. And either we like it or not, Cherry, and the grace following VDM is not the grace following me, following somebody else. He has a different grace. And that his grace is his voice. His voice is loud. How he's doing it, I don't know. They've tried to say, it's because he's connected, it's because he's this, it's because I know a lot of things people have tried to tell me about him, but me, I'm somebody that observe. You know, he's working for government, he's shaking it, but I'm yet to see the signs. That is just me. I take my time to observe things. I won't say because somebody tell me this day, I start nailing that person. So I just watch, and she said the Phyna now came out that they have abandoned her sister. That was when VDM now came out. Oh, they have abandoned your sister. He said, even though I feel for your sister, this is this that happened between us. Okay, I tried to help, but you went behind me and you told me that they said they are afraid of me. They don't want to have. Is somebody they are afraid of that should have helped you to handle this case, but you try to handle it on your own. Now that sister is abandoned because of the terms she gave them. She said they will give her 1 billion naira. They will take the sister and fly the sister abroad. Honestly, if you ask me, I think she went abroad. Is it that there is no hospital in Nigeria that can take care of that girl? Then you can now take your compensation. But if you now say they should travel, take her abroad and all that, number one, somebody in that state cannot just be flown around. They need air ambulance to fly her. A lot of other things they are still going to do, you know. And those people, I think, after she spoke, they just left her to her fate. And as it is, it's like they are not responding again. Then I saw another post this morning which says they have tried to respond. I don't know if they are the one or somebody else. Now, what am I trying to say here? You see, and I hope VDM will get to see this, my video. Nobody can take it from VDM. I keep saying it. That is trying. Nobody, I repeat, nobody can take that shine. Call it whatever you call it. You call it content creator. But it's a content creator with a difference. It's a content creator touching lives. Then I see some people complaining that he doesn't answer everybody. He is selective. VDM cannot answer everybody. Do you know how many messages will be going into his inbox every day? It will go into his WhatsApp. Some will go into his DM, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. People will message him through all this. His email. Please, as a human being, even if he has admin, they cannot go through all the messages. Even me with my little tertiary follower, it is not all messages I respond to. Me, I don't even do charity again because I cannot come and die. And I will tell you why. Now, I want to take it back to all these our celebrities. It's unfortunate, oh, I pity the girl involved in this case. Now, these our celebrities, how many times have they used their platform for ordinary masses in Nigeria? How many times? Kuromi, go and eat your food. Your food is there. How many times have all these our celebrities used their platform? Oyi biri biri, oti konwoni sing. Me, I am expecting that if there is anybody that should raise a voice on this case, it is all those celebrities. All those celebrities carry on when things are happening in Nigeria. All the killings that TVD and Baba amplify, they did as if they didn't see it. All the things going on in Nigeria that some of us, very few of us, will use our own channel, our own page to talk about. They behave as if they are not part of Nigeria because things are working for them. They have politicians to give them money. So they behave as if nothing can come near them. Now it has touched one of them. Why can't all of them use their voice to talk on this case? Up till now, none of them is looking as if they see anything. No. Now, Verydarkman, who is an ordinary person, Verydarkman, who is an ordinary person, you call him what do you call him? Content creator. Cherry, I don't know. In Nigeria they spoil things. So job where they give people money, after all, is not stealing. After all, he's not buying anybody. He's not doing Yahoo. Somebody take his time out. He will do video on what is going on in Nigeria. Nigeria, they flood his page. And social media platform, Toyibo creates. We are forgetting that this platform was created by Oyibo. They created it for people to communicate so that things can go around fast and all that. It's for so many reasons. And they decided that people who are using their page to do something, anybody can make money on social media. So I don't see this problem of saying is making money on social media. Oyibo decided to pay, and now you people have turned content creator to insult. It has suddenly become one of the insults in the dictionary of Nigerians. Can you see that we have a big problem? Now I see the reason why this man, Buhari, may his soul rest in peace, why Buhari called Nigerians what he called them. When there was content creator join insult name, he's a content creator, he's a content creator. Many of you, what are you doing on social media? He's doing his own content creation. He's touching lives, and he cannot touch many lives. And another thing, let me tell you, when you are doing all this kind of charity job, there are times if the people you are helping does not get to you, you will not remember, because you are handling so many cases. You still have to take care of yourself. So I reason with him when they say, you know, they finish case, he go do some case, now half he go do. He may not remember. Maybe another one has superseded that one and come. Me, I learned in a bitter way. If you have my follower on Facebook, you know before, I will come out, raise help for people. Please, we need help. Oh, I still pin 1 or 2 on my top page. TMT delete. Why did I stop? The people that will come, please, I need help. How much do you need? We will raise money for them. After some of them is 150, they say they want to. At the end of the day, we will raise almost 1 point something for them. We will give them. The next thing, they come back to me. Good enough. All of you know I don't use my account to collect money for anybody. It goes straight into the account. The only time I use my account, not my account, somebody's account in Nigeria, was because I don't know how to do this charity thing. So I asked somebody to give the account, and that person gave account of everything. I will give the person. At the end of the day, na insult end down. I can't find out, say people will come to you, come and help me. By the time I help them, na me, the problem they can't handle on my head. And me, I dey manage myself. I get children. I have to pay mortgage. I have to do other stuff here. And I know they work like before again. At the end of the day, after doing help for them, they will still come behind. Mommy, Ejoma, I still need the bayi. Owo ta ko fun yin ko. Eti no tan. So I can't say, be like say the wahala wants to buy me. Sit in and I see you. You are your trouble. How are you, my brother? So the wahala want to choke me. Now I say, I beg. Make these people just carry their wahala go. So I don't respond to messages again. It's one of the reasons. The major reason. Because the stress is always too much. At the end of the day, they make you look like a bad person. So VDM going all the way. His voice is low. Even if you no give shishi. His voice is low. But this is somebody that uses his money to go everywhere. Let's even say he is comfort ogun. I'm not stressed. I just woke up. Me it's freshen up. I just woke up, just brush my teeth. Took my dog for a walk. And I decided to do this. I'm not stressed, I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you for your concern. Emma Binu, you know me auntie. It be like me auntie be like something else, I don't know. So there are so many things. See, VDM that is doing that many of us, damn badger, damn many people fighting him, you cannot do. You now see where Phyna finish herself. Yesterday I was watching that video. I said, Phyna, don't finish herself for this thing. You may not like me for this, so because on social media everybody gets their fan. On this social media everybody get their supporter and follower. There is no how you will not get your own follower. It's not possible. So you may not like what I'm saying. I'm going to say now. Yesterday, Phyna cannot tell me that VDM and Easy. She Easy, that lady, this name is Easy, Abi. Easy. Did I get it? Easy. Reality with Easy. She cannot tell me she doesn't know that these people are fighting. She knows they are fighting. She now carry her case. Go and meet Easy. To go and meet Easy. Easy where him and VDM they do gbas David Oshelaja Babami to each other. You now still want to talk. Now that platform where they take a fight Easy. Fight Kilorukwe. Fight VDM. Now that platform you can't go. And they say that sister's case is getting worse. That she just came out of coma this morning. Phyna, you no try, yo. You no try. Now you na all of you when they call yourself celebrities in that Nigeria. How many years ago I don't they talk and say now celebrities, their voice is strong for this country if anything bad happen to people. then they put their voice. People with basically a voice. How many activists you get in that country? How many? The most active ones that I will talk about is Harrison Guamishu. I dey see wetin that guy dey do too. That guy know the rest. He get one day where that one go self, go follow them, go carry where kidnapper dey. Na so I dey shout, "Hey, and one more you, hey, and one more you." The same way VDM ran after that day that VDM went after those kidnapper. People say na stunt. Even me say fear on that day. I say whether they play, they do movie. But I know the quick talk. I dey watch. I say what is going on here? Before we come see where they carry somebody where they don't nearly carry go hospital on that day. And I still put him money down. Now we hear say the lady where Edo state government say they go help. Then say they no help her. Then just use VDM. And that's how it dey be. You see this, if you have never done charity on your page, you may not understand. I'm not talking of charity of just giving somebody 50,000. I'm talking of charity of raising funds. And you know the painful part, all of the people fighting this VDM now abroad on a day. You cannot help all these people back home. The worst thing you can do is to give them money. When it comes to somebody that will be on ground, now somebody like VDM will get that chest. He builds chest. I saw yesterday they do exercise, they dance, they even do in chest. I say, hey, see my pikin with in chest. He's always on ground. The little he can do, if we have 10 of VDM cannot do it all. He cannot answer everybody. He will do some cases, he will forget, he will not finish it. It is normal. It is normal that he will forget some cases, that he will not be able to finish it, he will not remember, except those people remind him and say VDM. And even if they call him, he may not even see the missed call. He may not even respond. Why? It's a work I have worked. There are times you take your phone, you want to Ekabo Moshe show Mabo. Oúnjẹ wo ló fẹ́ ṣe?
Plantain àti corn àti
èmi náà fẹ́ ṣe kí ni tó ní kí n bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń bọ̀ jọ̀lọ́. Mo ti ẹ̀ fẹ́ tó kókó ra tin tomatoes bò. Daniel lórí ẹ kó lọ rà bóyá tó bá jí. Nígbà tí ṣe ṣó tán sí máa bẹ̀rù. Ó rà pé yìí ń sùn.
How are you, baby?
Very naughty. Mo ti ṣe oúnjẹ fún kò jẹ.
I haven't bought that something.
Mo ti gbọ́ wọ́n ti gbé oúnjẹ wá mo ti order oúnjẹ mi.
I bought that meat too.
Ah, okay. Ìgbádùn ló wà.
Báwo?
So there are times to get me I will pick my phone to respond to somebody and I will forget. It's a work I have done before I stopped. Now what I heard is that bike man don't buy. The bike man that was involved in the accident too. They say that one don't buy. So you can't, the little this guy is doing, let's have more people doing it. Then it becomes easy. The pressure, I don't know as they cope. I don't know as VDM is coping with all this wahala. Honestly, let's give him his little flowers. Whatever your personal opinion is of him, look at the good things he's doing. It might be your own brother or sister that will need his help tomorrow. I don't know where he got the voice from, but he has gotten that grace for his voice to be heard. And it's not everybody. And you see people abroad, you think you will carry people abroad that you think you will carry his case to, VDM's case to, they can't do anything for you. Do you know why? They are in abroad. I tell people from Nigeria when they need cases of justice, I always come out plain to tell them that I can only amplify. There is nothing I can do about it. This guy, we have seen him going to EFCC several times to go and put petition down. We have seen him several times going to the police station. Number. With your shoe, with your bag. Nice. We have seen him several times going to the police station to go and drop petition. How many can he do? And most times he does all these things by himself. You and me, when it comes to such cases, how many have we done? Even to call police now, you know, they're easy. There was a case I had to call police here. I don't know, as police take change down. It seems that you guys don't know what this charity thing, I mean, this NGO thing or charity or whatever you call it is. Humanitarian work. There was a case I tried to handle on this my channel where the victim, we are already making way that they buy her son. A pastor buy her son, commot everything, bury him inside her house. A widow, and she has only 2 kids, remaining 1. We just, how many? I don't know if you remember that case. Mutia just okay. You know, along the line, Harrison too. Yes, I mentioned Harrison earlier on. Harrison is doing wonderfully well. But I say, when a voice is loud, it is loud. I'm not saying VDM is loud though, but when a voice is loud, it is loud. Harrison has been there for so long, even before VDM. Please, and this is not the time to compare. Don't jam their heads together, because already I have seen people saying, you know, comparing them. Please, don't jam their head together. They are both doing beautifully. And maybe there are so many other activists that are not as loud. Maybe. Now, I was talking about a woman that we try to help, a widow. To help our people is very tough. Oh. This widow, we try to help her. Then buy her son, bury the son inside her house, remove the son. I mean, Facebook. Boya network, let me leave here. Again, Kuromi, leave me, Joe. Get away. Let me leave here. Maybe, I think it's the network. Okay. Let me come to the dining. Well, this should be better. Maybe network. And I have to stand because I'm using. So, like I was saying, this woman, our deep people are tough. This woman, we are already making headway on the case. I don't get the contact of the IPO. I don't involve a lawyer. Not only that, she said she was sleeping in the living room. I mean, in a passage of a house. She can't sleep in a house again. We raise money for her to go and rent a house. Now she say, I told her the money we are raising is going to be for both the case and the house she wants to rent. So I said they should go and find her room and parlor. You know what this woman started doing? She became very insultive. And the next thing she said is that we should come and collect our money and stop disturbing her. She said she doesn't want justice again. I never hear that kind of thing in my life. It be like saying that the last case where I say I no go ever listen to any Nigeria say, Mommy, please, I need justice. Never again. I don't hear. This is somebody, they buy a son. Not only buy a son, they remove inside her house. Now in them buy a son, no, commode the pikin, this son. Everything inside the girl boy organ, they remove them. No, for the house. Go ahead and do what you need to do. You pack a room. Really? Show my need assistance.
No.
Okay.
I just want to season the chicken now for now. Then the one on fry.
Okay. So I don't dey here. Now she tell us say she no want room and parlor. She wants a flat and in a certain place. I say, But what you told me was that you were sleeping on the passage of somebody, then borrowed you passage of one face me and face you where you dey sleep. She said, She said if you cannot do that, we should go with our money. like play, this woman returned our money. In other words, the people who buy her pikin, as dem see say the case, e be like say don dey get leg, they don give her money to shut up. Now since that time, I wash my hand from Nigeria matter. I say I don't try. The little way I do, let posterity judge me and talk for me. Whether I do good or I no do good. And I'm not doing it to get any thank you from anybody. It is just the humanity inside me. Now, Phyna went to Easy. She go begin talk that yesterday. She even talk wetin she no supposed to talk. I dey listen, I dey hear wetin she dey talk. I say this lady is messing up this case. Your sister is still in hospital. I think what you should be talking about is talking about how your sister should get help. Forget whatever is going on between you and VDM. Apologize, humble, and say, VDM, I'm sorry. Not even to use any platform, talk less of platform of person wey come dey fight VDM. Sometimes make we dey try small. And I want to use this opportunity. I'm not going to say by fire, by force. Yes, she said the second son stays in the passage with her. Abidemi, you remember very well. Our people, to get justice for them is not easy. To fight for them is not easy. This morning I was listening to VDM talking about many cases he has tried to do that resulted in court cases for him. You know how much he go pay? Where then go say, oh yeah, pay this amount, go. And he doesn't collect from the victims. He will still use his own money. I just want to use this opportunity to advise VDM. But before the advice, I want to plead on behalf of Phyna, if it is still possible, if you can still do it, that he should not look at, and I think he said it in his video, that he still work, that girl must not buy, which is true. Because what is upsetting, or people are using to fight VDM, was saying VDM mentioned that girl has a child, has children, that he shouldn't have mentioned it. Me, I think they should have even mentioned this from the beginning of this case. That the girl has children, no, she's the one taking care of her children. Honestly, that would drive more empathy and drive more noise to the case. Why are you hiding that fact that she has children? What's the secret? What's the big deal? That a lady has children and no husband. What is the shame about that? Now, why she buy person? She been a pikin she gets. Why are you hiding the fact that she has a child? She has 2 children. What is the family secret? What is a family secret in somebody having 2 children? Egbami. So to have children now stigma. Oh, or does she want to go and marry? Okay, if to say anything no happen to her, she won't go marry one man. She don't go tell the man say she don't get pikin before. Egbami. Why is having children a big deal? How is that a secret? It shouldn't be a secret. It should be a thing of pride. It should be a thing of pride. And of that one, for help this case, if you have mentioned it from the beginning, not in this controversy now, from the onset, now you for don't put this one outside. Say, I beg go, help also, this lady, she has 2 children, oh, she's the one taking care of her children. Please, oh, help also, who is going to take care of her children? She has been the only one doing it. And now this. What is the secret in somebody having children to your long and your model? So to have children now don't become leprosy. It don't become stigma because you are not married. And so wahala no dey finish for Nigeria. Wahala no dey finish. I'm just begging very dark man, if it is still possible, to use his platform, and for other celebrities And what are we saying? There are so many other people. It's not only Phyna's sister. The other lady, they don't come out one hand. The two have been at two hand. Then come out. They are shouting Phyna's sister, Phyna's sister. The other victims, there are so many other victims in the hospital. Some weeks ago, in front of Sule Church. Were they compensated? No. The family are the one bearing the pains and the loss. No compensation for them. Nothing. Is it only Phyna? Is it only Phyna's sister? Other victims, Why are we making it look like it's only Phyna's sister? And we keep talking. No government official is putting mouth. Now, he can't even they fear me about that country. How come? No government official is addressing this issue. Now that particular place, when they fear me, when they talk, say people where they drive trailer, they are not qualified. Federal Road Safety is not saying anything. Dangote company representative, they are not saying anything to clear the hair. And they are still moving truck up and down. In other words, anybody where they buy and be that. Nobody is saying anything. They are telling us that Dangote company is untouchable. They are telling us that Dangote can buy anybody for all he likes, and life continues for him. And this same Dangote is keeping and protecting his own children. Which kind of country? And when we talk now, then we say we abuse Nigeria. Now every country gets a own. I know. Say no be so. But there are still some things where we say, It gets as things go happen. The people, the government, the way they go talk, people will still get peace a little bit. Nobody is talking anything. How can people that are not qualified be driving truck? Just how? Just how? And we are talking about this thing. Government is not talking. Police is not talking. Road safety is not talking. They just do as if they don't even hear anything. I think at this point, the loudest voice for Phyna now is to call on the celebrities in Nigeria to help her, so that they can go to Twitter. It be like saying that Twitter noise the loud to pass. Now there, the world day, we will see everything. No be everybody there on Facebook. People wey matter, they know they on Facebook. Now people where they play plenty pass on Facebook. Serious matter now on Twitter. Phyna should go and meet all the celebrities. I mean, they go just be celebrities for nothing. Celebrities, now then they get voice pass. As things be. As the case be now, the zeal. Yes, I mentioned it daily. I said the bike man, you don't buy, nobody talk about the compensation for the family. The ones who buy few days, some weeks ago, they don't. Those ones don't go. Nobody pick, no compensation, nothing for them. That one don't end with that. You see, in that country, I did fear. There was somebody will give birth to a child here. They say the way they take give birth to the child come by, then sue the hospital for $1 billion. That is why people are very careful here, because now compensation, you go finish your life. Because if you do mistake, they carry you to court. And if they find you negligent, you go pay. But where they won't carry Dangote go, when Olokpa no even help us talk. When they won't carry Dangote go, when road safety no see anything, it's so sad. Phyna, if you watch this video, hopefully, in Facebook no lock am too much. Go and meet other celebrities. You see all these foreign people, abroad people, where you they go farms, they cannot do nothing for you. They will only use you to make money on their platform. They are in abroad. They cannot live abroad to come and fight for you. And no matter how they shout, their voice is not loud. Their voice is only loud for what they do on their page. Okay? Everybody gets in own algorithm. Waiting if they do, where they make, where they loud. Their voice is not that loud for this kind of thing. Go and meet celebrities waiting for Nigeria and tell all of them to help you to do hashtag justice for your sister and tag Dangote company. Maybe that will help. Because as I this morning, Angel, ṣé fóònù mi wà ńbẹ̀ yẹn? Bá mi mú wá, mo fẹ́ ka nǹkan kan jáde. Dry your work, kò fi mu. Kò matter. I read something about it. If I'm VDM, walai, I will look the other way. Me, I can't say whether he should or should not. I will leave that for him to decide if he wants to continue or if he doesn't want to continue. So they said a message was sent to Phyna. They said, good morning, Phyna. We received the medical report you sent. We are happy your family are also liaising with the medical team handling routes. Please know that we are ready to positively consider all options necessary for treatment of Ruth as soon as she's certified to travel. So I want to believe this is coming from Dangote company. This is this morning. And she said thank you to everyone that lent their voice. We got a reply this morning and we pray they keep up to it. So I think the case of the case is being listened to now as it is. So hopefully, definitely, the girl's life will never be the same again. And I will tell Phyna what she's fighting VDM for was not necessary at all, saying that he reveals secrets. So make person born pikin and be secrets anyway. Then making her leave VDM alone. Let him. Everybody tend your own grass. Focus on your own channel or your page or whatever it is called. Leave VDM alone. If he's not doing it well, where is lacking, you do it. Whatever you think is not doing well, pick it up and do it. It's very simple. If na talk, you know sabi talk. You talk your own talk. That same topic. Everybody is allowed to pick one topic and everybody will talk about it. It's allowed. FVDM, all this confusion you are causing will not let us be getting the good results on cases. We won't be getting good results on cases. It has happened to Phyna today. It can happen to any other person tomorrow. Is this how you will handle cases? This is why the government is not taking us serious. They are playing her. She has received such message before. Let's wait and see. You can't just conclude. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Well, we advise VDM. I heard him saying, I think what he said he wants to do is okay. Record people so that tomorrow there will not be you say I say, you know say I say. So that's a good one. And honestly, for those that are obsessed with him that they pick cases, that now cases we go give them name, they always pick. I don't believe that. I don't believe. But if you think that is what he's doing, okay. Oh, okay. If you think he's doing cases to make him popular, you do the other ones. Abi, you know, but me, I'm out of charity. I'm out of charity, and I talk so. I'm not getting younger. In how many years time I will be 60? As I did. So now peace lane I did now. I know they for Nigerian trouble. Making a no vex. How many years from now I will be 60? I did my peaceful lane now. Time to rest. Now I did. Because I go soon, very soon. I go day retirement. I mean you want make your mama retire, make you no rest. If you don't want make your mama no rest, me that's why I no feel they do charity again. The one way I don't do, let it speak for me. And if you no speak for me, no wahala. I cannot come and die. GVDM still gets energy. He's still very young. The ones he's doing, let him continue. You say he's picking cases. You are not talking about, he will just wake up one day and say, I want to give 2 million to people. How many of now they give 1 million to people on your platform? Somebody say you won't give 1 million to people. If they announce the 1 million for the past 7 months, so that I can be getting more customer. And money customer, customer, no, let me sit down. So that you can be getting more a follower. 7 months, it don't they announce, I am giving out 1 million giveaway. I am giving out 1 million giveaway. For 7 months, so that follower can be plenty. He never still give the 1 million till now. VDM go just wake up. I need 5 people to give 250 each to go and learn work. How many influencers they do am? How many? Even those ones where they get plenty followers, where get 10 million followers. How many times you don't see them say that they do giveaway? Some of them, when they now give 5,000, I be 50,000, they will now post it. They have followers, oh, they are not like tertiary follower like me, oh. Even me with my little tertiary follower, they give 40,000 at a point for each person before I stop. You go see them 10 million followers is when they want to now get more followers. It's either because they create controversy by lying. After they create controversy, they will now say, I am giving out 500,000 for 10 people who can. Before you know it, 3 months they never give the money. They watch waiting they go on Facebook. The only thing beside when they put for my mouth for waiting to concern me is because this one is about life. Now it make me put my mouth. All this their wahala, I know they put my mouth. Tori me lewa by me wallet on social media. Most of these people, they are my children's age mates. So I demand my lane. I don't want wahala. The person is still saying it. Okay. 7 months ago, now he don't announce, I am giving 1 million naira on this page. He never still give to today. Follower don't plenty, engagements don't plenty. He don't take them make money. VDM is giving back. We they see what they do. If they give back where? There was a time he sent some people to go and learn work. How many of now they do them? Let's even say they select cases to answer. I agree. How call me? Hey Joe, me ni question. Torí nǹkan tí fẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe ló gé ń bọ́ silence òkè mi ni mi bá wà studio mi ni bá wà jẹ́jẹ́ mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni princess àwa ta ní tertiary follower, we are doing the little we can do with all their followers. 10 million followers wọn ò ní ṣe give away rárá. 10 million followers. I see no reason why somebody who has 10 million followers is not giving anything less than 1 million every month, because I know how much they will be raking in. Their page is doing very well, not like our own page 30 budget. It's one of the reasons I stopped giving. Eba page mi je mi ni fún yín kan tèmi nìyẹn. Ele nikan ni. Àwọn pastors ton fún yín kan ton ṣe nǹkan kan fún yín. When I'm to give, I don't even ask whether you are a Christian or a Muslim. I don't ask whether you go to church or you don't go to church. I just say put your account down, and pastors now use you to spoil my page. Ajo ma wora wani. So the little way social media, Facebook will give, na me get am, because I'm using my time, my energy, and the time in America. Time is money. Time is money. Time is money. Nigerians are the most difficult people to deal with. We are very difficult. Well, you can say whatever VDM show. There is nothing you people can do with VDM, because when person carry grace, he carry different grace. I feel like he carry that grace already. He is not the only one doing activism. And when some people have been doing activism, my own be say, make you not do the one we go land him in wahala. That's my prayer for him, my wish for him. You know, go do the one we go end in life. You know, go do the one we go say, why did I do this? Better no she marry like Kunle Abiyamo. In the big case, I agree. Talk about the giveaway they do. Some people even talk say now audio giveaway. You can as well say my own giveaway too. Now audio giveaway. You can also say my own giveaway too. Now audio. But people where they collect the money, then they verify on my page, say, thank you, I received the money. Before I stop in this January. And January, I know how much I gave out. Despite the fact that I don't get money on Facebook, I gave out about over 600,000. So you can't stop VDM. If something is inside somebody's blood to do what it needs to do, it will continue doing it. It will continue doing it. VDM, if they tell and say himself go reach where he did today, he no go believe. And he don't reach where he did. Nobody can pull him down. Nobody can stop what he's doing. The better, the better. I know say making a no fight on herself, making a begin fight. But when it comes to the life of people, Joe, please don't let us turn it to messy things, so that the person that needs help can get the necessary help. You cannot help. Allow the person doing the help. Don't interfere. When somebody is just, you see, when you are doing good and people try to run you down, now person where you they help, where one run you down, will get the repercussion. How many of you remember a case of one lady called Fatima? Now so he carried me after all the help where I do for her, and I pikin take my money, pay hospital bill, buy clothes for her grandchild and everything. Now so she carry me go meet another blogger, go fight me there. The blogger won't raise money for her. She no gets. That girl no gets. Because when you're on the right path and you think you want to mess up your helper, you will be the one that will go down for it. Now you'll be the one that will go down for it. So please, some people have been saying maybe Phyna should open an account, public account, where they can be putting money. That's another good advice. She can as well do that too. 2,000 here, 5,000 here, 10,000 here. They will need it, because that lady for life, her life is on hold. There is nothing she can do again. How can I help Phyna? I think you have to go to her page. So whoever wants to help her, go to her page. I will not say people should not help her. Contribute your little token, 5,000, 10,000. Please help her to do that. So Phyna I will put an update too. Tag her name. She should open an account. People are ready to contribute while she's waiting for what Pilonje Dangote can do. So if you think you want to help her, go to her page, go to her Instagram and all that, and do it. Okay, so that's my only two input. But this fight, when they fight, you are only putting us in a bad light in the society. You see, a lot of Onyibo don't they use Instagram, Facebook, YouTube before we join. I see what they do. I see the progress. I see the contribution. I see positive impacts. Why is that? It now comes to Nigeria. Now fights. We they take you social media, they fight. It's becoming an embarrassment. And it's one of the reasons why Facebook is becoming unattractive to me. I would rather stay on YouTube. Because I'm getting old. Now something will go make me have peace I want. I don't know where, so I don't want something will go stress me. I know the one they look, we say, some people, every day to wale ya were de, ma tag me more ija. She mo jo fija bi ni. Ma tag me more ija, video ija. Auntie Adrian, have you seen kini kan se ya were? Le gbe Facebook ti pe oju yin na jade ke wa ja ni. I'm just asking, no. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni màá ti yẹ mi sí mo ti fìyẹn lẹ̀. Ma tag mi mọ́ fídíò ìjà. Auntie Adoni, have you seen this? Auntie Adoni, have you ṣe kílé kan? Kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú gbogbo yẹn? Mo sọ fún yín pé ìjà mi wá jà lórí social media ni. And tẹ́yin bá fẹ́ jà tíjà wà lára yín tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti ṣépè fún majority yín. That once you wake up, that's what you want to start looking for. Bring out your social media page, your face. Gbogbo ala ní social media face kíní. Kẹ́ fi máa fa wàhálà. And if you look at most of them, they grew up in Kilonje. Ṣé dáwọn tán bá jáde ilé olórogún tán ti fìjà ṣe ilé ayé wọn àtàwọn ọmọ tán wà abused growing up. Àwọn kìíní yẹn ti dùn mọ́ wọn bí pé kàn máa rí pains around is because don't enjoy nìyẹn. Majority yín ti sick tẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ́. Tí n bá rí anybody tó tag anyway mo ti ń block yín gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ tag mi mọ́ rubbish and nonsense tí ó kàn mí mo ń block yín dànù ni kẹ kó ṣì yín wá síwájú kẹ wá bí gbà. Yes now èwo ni kọ́ máa tag mi mọ́rọ̀ tí ó kàn mí. Ní èjì tí mo wà yìí màá wá bọ́ sórí social media màá máa jà màá máa dá sí nǹkan tí ó kàn mí màá máa ní mò ń gbèjà kinní kan mò ń gbèjà kinní kan kí ló kàn mí mo mọ̀ wọ́n rí ni. Mo láwọn ọmọ alálùbáríkà bó ṣe wà yẹn tó bá sọ fún mi pé mommy is okay ó yá leave your show mo máa stop show èmi gbọ́dọ̀ sáwọn ọmọ mi lẹ́nu because tó bá dé stage kan ọmọ nìyá fún yàn. Woman yìí sọ what's her name again? I look angry, I look beautiful when I'm angry. Ṣé ẹ̀ ń gbọ́rọ̀? Fúnkẹ́ Auntie Fúnkẹ́ Jóbélé. I watched some of her videos and I align with some of them when it comes to parenting. She said a time is coming as a mother. You will become the child, your children. If you don't get to that stage, then you have failed as a mother. Tó bá dé stage kó máa jókòó, káwọn ọmọ ẹ take over. Mo ti wà ní stage táwọn ọmọ mi ti take over. Tó lè sọ fún mi pé mommy is okay. Ó yá leave that show. Tí màá lókè ọkọ mi mo ti gbọ́. Kò mí pa wọn náà wọ́n bá dẹ̀ fún mi oúnjẹ ọmọ ni. Àwọn máa ṣe dáradára lórí social media. Tẹ́ bá ẹni tó bá bíire nínú yín, let them tag me to rubbish.